Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about HostGator. HostGator is a popular web hosting provider known for its affordable plans and reliable service. Whether you are a beginner or an expert website owner, HostGator offers a range of features and tools to meet your hosting needs. In this review, we will explore the key aspects of HostGators and guide you on how to use it effectively. So the first thing to do is to sign in and create your account. So the customer or a builder. If you are a builder, click on here. So you accept the cookies and you sign up with your email or your Facebook account or your Google account. So here, approve. Sorry, it's only the Arabic language here. So let's bring your website to life. So you need a domain name. Something like this, and you click on get domain. And here we have Express Start, Express Site, Express Store. The plans for the start with this website. So let's choose one of them, and you need to fill in the billing address, your card information, and enter coupon code. They already gave you the coupon code. 50% discount, I think, on the first month if you paid annually. So yeah, there is this system for 2 years, or you can pay monthly. So if you choose to pay yearly, you will get something like a free domain name. So after confirming the purchase, your account will be created after you fill up those informations. For now, let's go back. So this is your account. Create the perfect website in minutes. Here we have steps. Find a domain. Need new name. Marketing today. Manage your social media. Build your online store and others. Here we have booking, dashboard, booking system. Here we have domains, blog, emails, merch market. Okay, I'm going too fast. Let's just take it easy. So here we have the email business. Here we have the merch market. Create promotional products for your business. Here we have contact CRM and email marketing, dashboard campaigns. We have social boosters, posts, calendar, reviews, messages, accounts for your website. Here we can access to the app market. We have the e-commerce store, website statistics. We have priority support and many apps that can help you to manage your created website. This HostGator also provide a logo maker and logo designer for you. You can create your logo here easily. So let's access to the account settings. Here we have be in control. We have some details, your name, your email. You can change the password here, edit details. You can also add the phone number here. We have some services, plan, domains, apps. Here you verify the payments and others. Here we have the invoice. So let's continue to saying. So hosting plans and pricing. HostGator provides a variety of hosting options, include shared hosting, VPS hosting. We have dedicated servers, and their shared hosting plans are perfect for small or medium-sized websites and start at competitive prices. The hatching plan allows you to host single website, while the baby and the business plans offer unlimited domains. The pricing is reasonable, and they offer run promotion and discount for new customers. Like we said, they entered uh, a name for a discount code for us. Mine's 50%. So the second thing that characterize HostGator is user-friendly control panel. HostGator utilises this cPanels as its control panel, which is a widely used and intuitive interface. The control panel enables to manage various aspects of hosting accounts, such as setting up email accounts, managing database. We have installing application like WordPress or e-commerce here. We have monitoring website statistics. We have here the boosters. Its beginner friendly interface is one of the key benefits of using HostGator. So we have also the reliability and uptime. HostGator boasts an impressive uptime guarantee of 99.9%, ensuring that your website remains accessible to visitors around the clock. Their data centers are well maintained and equipped with redundant and power supply and network connection, reducing the risk of downtime. In terms of reliability, HostGator has a solid reputation in the hosting industry. So, for how to use HostGator, so you choose a hosting plan, visit HostGator's website, and select hosting plan that suits your need. Consider the factors that such as the number of websites you want to host, expected traffic, and required resources. Second step is to register a domain. Like we said, they will give you a free domain if you choose the right plan. Third step is to complete the sign up process by providing the phone number, the payment system, and others. The fourth way is configure your website. You can manage various aspects of hosting accounts, set up email account, upload your website files, create database, and others. So the last step is monitor and maintain your website. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.